Basically, in this Brilliant Directories website, I was going to design the member profile page and the different tabs layouts in the member profile page. For example, this is the product tab and this is a product layout. Here, EQ products layout, and then if we go to another post offers, farms, videos, latest news, and then booking services and company tours. And if we go to the detail page, I was going to design the product detail page, equipment product detail page, and then single offer detail page, okay, farm detail page, video detail page, news, booking. Okay, so that's what I was going to do in this project. Uh, but after that, like after I start the development on this task, it was not looking good and it was very challenging. That was why, with the permission of the admin, we decided to skip this design. So now I'm going to show you, this is a Brilliant Directories website and this is a member profile page. Okay, I will make it a small so that we can take a look. This is a member profile page according to Figma. This is the main card where the logo, the name, and the subcategories, chat, review, like button, okay, and the overview tab. If we go to the news tab, this is a news tab layout, and here is the pagination as well. This is the offers, okay, the offer tab, products tab, equipment products tab, farms tab, okay, and then videos in this layout, virtual tours, and then booking. That's how these are multiple pages within a member profile I designed. If we go to the blog page, this is a blog page layout that I designed. I will make it 100, approximately 80. This is the offers page. Okay, this is the offers page layout, the offers details, and the offer video, the images. For now, we used the blurred images for only testing purpose, the price, etc. And this is a products page. Okay, you can check it out as well. And product information, ingredients, etc., etc., and the video as well. This is the equip products. Okay, equipment products. So it is also approximately same with that one. And then farms, so you can take a look at the farms as well, the slider as well, and the product detail, their title, their data, etc., their report, like, share, etc. And these are the other details. Everything is dynamic, coming from backend. Finding food videos, this is a video page. Okay, and if we go to the posts from here, edit post settings, in the edit post settings all these posts exist, like equipment products, virtual tours, and then tutorial, okay, news, videos, farm products, etc., etc. So that's how it is working from here as well. And like, this is a whole project about designing a Brilliant Directories website using a Figma file that we did. If you want to get help with that type of task, that type of functionalities, you can let us know. We are here to help. Thank you so much.